Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the Heather's channel. It's your girl Boomey B. I am back with my next and last Halloween video of the season. I had so much fun doing this. I wanted to do 4, so like for every week of Halloween of the month, but I couldn't get to it because I still didn't have a grip on how I wanted to do the last one, and I'm just gonna save it. So maybe I'll do it next year and I just don't blow my whole self up. My whole shtick is affordable, cheap, fast. Well, affordable and cheap are the same, but like easy and affordable Halloween looks. I can do maybe next year, like something that's a little more like intermediate or advanced. Let's get into this. As I've done with the 2 videos before this, I'm going to explain what I'm going to do so that you could watch me do it instead of doing a talk through or do a voiceover. So today I am going to do my version of this Ice Queen look. I came up on this look on Pinterest, not even looking for it. So this is the look, and I'm going to do a play off of this look. It's not necessarily going to be identical because I could only get one of those neck pieces. I couldn't find them where they were single, and the ones that I could, they weren't going to come fast enough. I'm in post beat, so I've done the majority of what I need to do. I'm just going to do some eyes, but face is done, eyebrows are done. I have several of these gem sticky eye scenarios. I'm going to pick between these and what I want to use because I love hers where she kind of just primarily has it like this and this, but there's some where they do like a crown piece in the middle. I don't know. I'm going to decide. I have some for like every type of look that I might want to do because these come in like packs of 6, and you know. And then the ones on the body, this one, I love that. The ones on the body. So these go on your boobs. And then this is the one that she has, which I'm going to probably do this. And then somehow figure, this one is like a in the middle of your chest one. And then just do this one instead of, you know, I would have loved to have 2 of these and done this. Whoop, and done this. And then done this. But I didn't want to, I bought the whole pack of 3. For $11.99 on Amazon, and I didn't want to spend $15 on one and $30 on 2. It's just, that's not smart. I'm going to use the Eye Magic palette again. I don't have to do much with this. It's kind of just a little, like, kind of some accents, and I'm going to use these silver and white colors to accent the jewels. Yeah, so that's what you're going to watch me do in the next few, I don't want to say minutes, but you know, minutes in YouTube time. Let's get the show on the road. I've done. So I did like a fake, not really smoky eye, but kind of just like a ombre of gray into black. I'm going to put on the glitter and do the paint job. So let's get started with these. Complete finished look, and needless to say, I'm loving it. My suggestion to you, if you are doing this to go out for Halloween, put a little latex glue down so you can hold them, because you see stuff like this. I'm not going on tonight, therefore I don't, because I plan to wear this as an actual Halloween costume. When I go out, I will latex this down so that it won't move. Girl, what? Yes, yes, I'm cold as ice. I'm an ice queen. On my lips, I have a little bit of the silver and the white. At this point, they're big, so they pout a lot and a lot. So I've worn off a bit. I put a little bit of glitter on. I'm gonna tell you a couple of things that I will do different when I actually wear this out. All of this will be glitter, period. I will look like I bathe in it. I'm going to create like a really hard contour in silver, and that will pull up from here. So those are the two different things that I would do. I love that I used the boob pieces for this. I love that. Like, that's cool for me. So now this is what it looks like, and all I need to do now is some stills and some faces. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, let me do some thumbnail photos, and then let me chill out with my, and then enjoy the rest of my Sunday. Okay, so, oh, before I forget, like, comment, and subscribe. Double tap that bell, because you already know YouTube void us in it. Please help us get out. Double tap, watch our videos, like them, share them, do us the solid, because you love us. If you like this video, like it. If you want to talk about anything, comment. Until I see you next time, holla. Be cool the way you be cool, people. Love you, humans.